Well, friends, we are here in the Caribbean on an island called Trinidad in the northeast, and I just crossed this bridge and I decided, let me have a look. Look at that. Looks like death for somebody. Do you see that big nail sticking out there? I personally had to get out and push it back in. Let's have a look at more of this bridge. It's an old wooden bridge. You could see it crosses a river. And look at the wood. More death. The wood is actually flaking away. It's been doing this for quite a while. And you can see where they tried to put some steel sheets on top of it. The sheets are not even welded together, so more death. They are moving apart, revealing holes, and more wood that is breaking apart. Big old hole there. Let's have a look on the underside of the bridge. I mean, we do see a steel beam there, but the wood on the steel beam is useless. The railings are looking like they're coming apart as well. More death for anybody come in here. While we're here, let's have a quick look at the area. But don't go away because I have another bridge after this that we're going to take a look at. Good luck to that vehicle that's about to cross that bridge. As I said, I'm in the Caribbean. Beautiful, beautiful beaches. Look at that. Coconut trees, beautiful beach line, covered in rocks. The sea color is nice. And then we revert back and meet something that could cause our death. Really needs to be fixed. I can't believe that we would have a bridge like this to cross. Now here's more death. They actually tried to weld a piece of metal to the railing. So the railing isn't to stop vehicles. The railing are there just for cosmetics. And you could see where that one didn't even weld properly. It came out. So they put this here to make sure that the railing didn't fall out, and it looks like it's going to fall out anyway. Look at how the wood is rotten. I'm jumping on the wood. Look at that. For those of you who might be thinking of fixing it, I'm giving you some footage so you can see the area. But yet, let's look at another bridge that's not far from that one. This one is even worse, because at least the other one gave you the idea that it had railing, but this one has none at all. So you would go on the left or the right, and you could fall off. Maybe the wood on the bottom isn't as rotten. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This one even has holes. So if you wanted, you could actually jump straight to the river below. You wouldn't even have to walk down. You have to make sure your vehicle is crossing this bridge while saying your prayers. Now look at it at this angle. That's a water pipe, I would believe. And that water pipe doesn't have any protection. So if a vehicle was to make a wrong move, it would crash straight into that pipe. And that pipe would break, causing a loss of water to the Matelot area. Again, beautiful beaches here in the Caribbean. Nice sea breeze, good cosmetics to look at, nice eye candy. And then there's that bridge that can kill. So, what do you think about these scary bridges? Should they be left that way? Should somebody be seeing about it? Please give me your comments in the YouTube comments area of my YouTube channel on JB's Man Cave. Because most of the time, if you went to officials about things like this, they will say, well, we don't have finances. What do we pay taxes for? Aren't the taxes supposed to be towards things like this? This is about people's lives. Something needs to be done right away to see about these bridges.